Good morning, children. How are you all? Today, we are going to learn about comics and Indian mythology. What is a comics? Comics is a medium that expresses narratives or other idea using a series of still images, usually combined with text. It typically takes the form of a sequences of panels of images. Comic books are probably the most popular form of reading material for young people and children. Comics are meant to cause laughter. Children enjoy reading the comics. If you describe something as comics, you mean that it makes you laugh. Comic books entertain everyone. They also sometimes give us new information and encourage everyone to understand and follow new things. Now, we are going to solve the exercises on the page number 51 of the textbook. Comics. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Name the Superman's dog. Crypto. Crypto is a fictional super dog appearing in American comic books published by DC Comics. And the spelling of crypto is Krypto. Crypto. Number 2. Who is the chef in Mandrake Comics? And the answer is Hojo. Spelling of Hojo is Hojo. Hojo. Hojo is a chef in Mandrake Comics. Number 3. What is Peter Parker popularly known as? And the answer is Spider-Man. The spelling of Spider-Man is Spiderman. Spider-Man. Peter Parker is popularly known as Spider-Man. Number 4. Who is Batman's arch enemy? And the answer is Joker. 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 Joker is Batman's arch enemy. Number 5. What color is Hulk? And the answer is green. 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 The color of Hulk is green. Number 6. What is the name of Herman's castle? And the answer is Castle Grayskull. The spelling is Castle. Castle. Greyskull. Grayskull. The name of Herman's castle is Castle Grayskull. Number 7. Name the Phantom's pet dolphins. And the answer is Solomon and Nefertiti. And the spelling is Solomon. Solomon and and Nefertiti. 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 The Phantom's pet dolphins are Solomon and Nefertiti. Number 8. What is Lord Greystoke better known as? And the answer is Tarjan. T A R Z A N. Tarjan. Lord Greystoke is better known as Tarjan. Number 9. What is the Christian name of Mr. Weatherby in Archie Comics? And the answer is Waldo. W A L D O. Waldo. The Christian name of Mr. Weatherby in Archie Comics is Waldo. Number 10. What is Hardy's Christian name? Hardy of Laurel and Hardy. And the answer is Oliver. O L I V E R. Oliver. Hardy's Christian name is Oliver. Number 11. Name Donald Duck's nephew. And the answer is Huey. 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 Donald Duck's nephew is Huey. Quick facts. Chacha Chaudhary, Pinky, Bittu, Lambu Motu are some of the popular Indian comics. More about web comics, online comics, or internet comics are comics published on a website. The first online comic was Witches and Stitches, which was published in the year 1985. Some latest web comics are 7 Years in Dog, Land by Journey Tay, Zara's Paradise by Amil and Khalil, Asteroids and Asteroids with Quadra Blue by Lyman and Dolly. Now children, we are going to read about Indian mythology, a story often describing the adventures of beings with more than human power that attempts to explain mysterious events or that explains a religious belief or practice. Indian mythology are narratives found in Hindi texts such as Vedic literature, epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana, the Puranas, etc. They are the stories about how the world was created and why certain things happen. Myths tell us about gods, heroes, and events that a group believes. Now let's solve the exercise on page number 40 of the textbook. Indian mythology. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Lopamudra later came to be known as river dash, and the answer is Kaveri. C A U V E R Y. Kaveri. Lopamudra later came to be known as river Kaveri. Number 2. Dash is known as the god of wealth, and the answer is Kubera. K U B E R A. Kubera. Kubera is known as the god of wealth. Number 3. The pole star is also known as the dash nakshatra, and the answer is Dhruv. D H R U V. Dhruv. The pole star is also known as the Dhruv nakshatra. Number 4. The name of Lord Lakshmana's mother is, and the answer is Sumitra. 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 The name of Lord Lakshmana's mother is Sumitra. Number 5. Mount Dash is associated with Lord Shiva, and the answer is Kailasa. 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 Mount Kailasha is associated with Lord Shiva. Number 6. Dash is considered as the architect and engineer of the gods, and the answer is Vishwakarma. 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 Vishwakarma is considered as the architect and engineer of the gods. Number 7. Lord Dash is recognized as the god of good fortune, and the answer is Ganesha. 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 Lord Ganesha is recognized as the god of good fortune. Number 8. The vehicle of Lord Vishnu is a dash, and the answer is Garuda. 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 The vehicle of Lord Vishnu is Garuda. Number 9. Lord Dash is considered as the creator of the universe, and the answer is Brahma. Brahma. Lord Brahma is considered as the creator of the universe. Number 10. Dash is the abode of Lord Brahma, and the answer is Satyaloka. 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 Satyaloka is the abode of Lord Brahma. Number 11. In Ramayana, Hanuman fetched a medicinal herb called dash from the Himalayas, and the answer is Sanjeevani. Sanjivani. Sanjeevani. In Ramayana, Hanuman fetched a medicinal herb called Sanjeevani from the Himalayas. Number 12. Dash is the name of the half man, half eagle who carried Lord Vishnu and his consort Lakshmi, and the answer is Serpent. 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 Serpent is the name of the half man, half eagle who carried Lord Vishnu and his consort Lakshmi. Quick facts. Lord Ganesha actually wrote the Mahabharata, while Veda Vyasa dictated the epic. More about Ramayana is an ancient epic originally written in Sanskrit. It is believed that Valmiki wrote it. It depicts the life of Lord Rama and his wife Sita. So children, today we have read about comics and Indian mythology. I hope you enjoyed the chapters. Thank you children. Take care. Stay home, stay safe.